Weather from where you live.
Well, temperatures vary from 30 at Rochester to freezing literally at Logansport, 34 at the station, but 37 degrees along that I-74 corridor. We got this little clipper coming through. We've had some snow showers today, mainly in our northeastern counties, and there could be a couple flurries that linger onto the evening hours for the viewing area, but the clearing line is still way up in Minnesota, so quite a bit of cloud cover tonight, but at least over the next several days it will turn warmer. Few showers Thursday, more widespread rain Sunday with some thunder, and then we'll watch colder weather come in with perhaps some accumulating snow at some point next week. 29 by 10, 27 at midnight, and 25 at 2 a.m. Headed for 21 by 6 and eventually 20 degrees by 8 a.m. And the winds will tend to slacken off a little bit, but still wind chill running in the teens through much of the night. Tomorrow, wind chill in the lower 20s in the afternoon, a little bit breezy at times with high temperatures generally in the low to mid 30s. Now there's Futurecast. This is during the day tomorrow, partly cloudy for most of the day, but notice by evening and tomorrow night we go overcast, and I think the temperature will level off, then may even rise a little bit as a south wind kicks in ahead of this cold front, which will come through probably close to noon or 2 p.m. on Thursday. Ahead of it, it'll warm up a little bit, but probably around 43 Lafayette, upper 30s in our north. So even though Futurecast trying to crank out some snow here, I'm a little doubtful of that right now. I think a lot of this is just going to be a little line of scattered showers. Then that gets through and we stay dry until we get to Sunday. So Thursday, ahead of the front, we warm up briefly to 43, then fall a little bit in the afternoon. 43 Romney, 42 Burlington, then upper 30s up towards Rensselaer with 39 degrees. Now, there's that system coming through Thursday with a few of those showers around, with the snow mainly north of here. Once we get into Sunday, stronger system, a good deal of wind, widespread rainfall, 1/2 to 1 inch, perhaps even some thunder. And then once that goes through, some colder air will filter in. Now, there are some questions about how next week is evolving. Some of the new data does indicate there is some sort of snow system brewing to our southwest that would move in here somewhere in the Valentine's Day period, whether that's going to be on Valentine's Day, after Valentine's Day. It's a little too early to tell, but there's something brewing with perhaps some accumulating snow later on next week. And then as that low pulls away, the Arctic blast comes in, and with that we may have a couple of Alberta clippers between the 15th and the 20th. That may bring us some minor accumulating snow. So bottom line is pretty much later next week through about the 20th or 22nd, it will get colder around here, and it will actually get a little bit more wintry with several opportunities for at least some snow. 7-day forecast, 34 tomorrow, 43, a few showers Thursday, but that 43 will tend to fall a little bit later on in the day. 34 Friday, and then by Sunday, 54 degrees, periodic rain, perhaps a little thunder. 45 and falling Monday, and then 35 Tuesday. And again, next week, we've got to watch that Valentine's Day-ish time period system for some snow. And then after that, it's going to get a lot colder around here. Looking at some brand new data today, we may have some overnight lows pushing 0 once we get past Valentine's Day.
And Valentine's Day is a week from Thursday, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Very good.
Got to remember that date, too.
I better remember.
Yes, you do.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Okay.
Purdue men back in action tonight.
Yeah, and hopefully we're talking about a win in a few hours. We'll preview the Boilermakers